This is Optic Hobby number 7. One box break. Guys, attack your guys' Phoenixes too. If not, it's definitely going by tomorrow. Tomorrow's just going to be a tougher day because it's flawless release. It's Topps Chrome Black release for baseball. So it's just going to be a little bit harder on those days because everyone's going to be watching the release. Oh, CTP, you asked me to go pack by pack. I'm sorry, CTP. There. Sorry, I forgot. I'll go pack by pack for you, CTP. I forgot. I was just excited. There. Let's do this and we'll go pack by pack. Mountain on the pink velocity. Sinat. Hollow. Stover on the red. There's our first Daniels. Pollard on the aqua. Alright. We'll switch it up. We'll pack by pack. Thibodeau. Is this an auto? Oh, it is. Hidden potential autograph of Jatavion for Mr. Lando for the Panthers. Orange of Quorum for the Rams and Mr. Pratt. Okay, I'm not looking by the pack. Flex. Byron Young for the Rams on the flex. I know. AJ Dillon on the aqua. I thought it started good, Ian, and then it kind of just fizzled. Team logos, Texans. That's a sick Stroud for Dane. That's pretty sick. That's cool. I hope so. Cool Stroud, 16/32. Lame, missing a card. Probably got the extra card right here. Nope, True Blue. Braswell for the Bucks. What is that? Oh, Light It Up of Drake May. What is that? Oh, purple. Purple of Musgrave. Well, I've seen the same players in this case. Sorry, guys. We've had a lot of Musgrave case. Yeah, we need a round. We need a downtown. I agree. How many boxes do I have left? 5 boxes. Yeah. I'll post them all through, Ian. I mean, you saw 7 boxes in the case. You guys saw 7 boxes. Let's not thrash it until until we hit until we have like 2 or 3 boxes left. Then we can thrash it. Hello, horse.
You gotta get better before Thursday.
I'm trying so hard, man.
You gotta get better by Thursday.
What is Thursday?
Circa.
Oh, yes.
Game 6. Announced. Road game.
What is Big 6?
Game 6.
Oh, Game 6.
We need to win tonight. We plunge.
Yes, you have $100. I told you that yesterday.
Plunge.
You texted me yesterday. I was sleeping. I'm so sorry.
I figured.
Yeah.
You saw what I was talking about, though, right? With the misspelling.
Fuck, that was like last week. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, I did. I didn't fix it though. Just letting you know. Hey, I'm down to finish the case today, Cam. If you guys want it, I'm down. I'm here. Recap. What's up, bro? Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be tricky though. It's kind of why I'm trying to make sure that all of it goes.